So the very first method that I suggest is to restart your phone. So for that, press the power off button and here you have to select restart. So restart your phone. After your phone restarts, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. Now this will force stop the game. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. Now click on storage uses and then click on clear cache. So this will clear the cache of the game, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is not fluctuating and is stable. If you are using mobile data, move to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the game is launching or not. If the issue still continues, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if the game is launching now or not. If not, you should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on about device, and here you have to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So if there is any update available, update your phone OS to the latest version and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should install a VPN app to play the game. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and lots of apps will be available here. Install any one of it and after that change the location and log into the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, you should reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, app info, and then click on uninstall and finally click on OK. So this will remove the game from your device. After that, go to Google Play Store and the search option, search for the game once again and install it. So after installing the game once again, now launch the game and check if the game is working now or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.